Hi everyone. This video focuses on deploying the changes to your Salesforce environments automatically using the CI jobs. So this is my local workspace. I have two pages which I need to deploy to my Salesforce environment. And this is my Salesforce org. As you can see, no Visualforce page is present right now inside the org. Now let's commit the changes and push them. As soon as the changes are pushed to the project repository, some CI jobs are scheduled automatically. One is for Sonar Cube scanning, other one is for deploying to UAT, and the one for validating against the production org. The orgs to which the changes are deployed or validated against depend on the branch you push your changes to and the environments you choose while creating the project. So if I push my changes to the QA branch, then the jobs will be scheduled for quality scanning, deployment to QA environment, and validating against SIT or UAT depending upon the orgs you selected while creating the project. Hence, the jobs are scheduled for deploying the changes to the environment depending on the branch your code is pushed to and validate them against the higher org. So if you see here, deployment to UAT is finished successfully. If we see into the job, it actually runs ADX deploy package command in order to deploy your changes to the target environment. It also specifies the metadata or the component that it deploys. And finally, it says deploying succeeded. So this is my UAT org. Now let's see if we can see the deployed changes here. And here they are without any explicit deployment. Now if we look into the third job, it says validate against production. If we see into the job, it says it has completed validating along with the components it tries to validate. If you push your changes to the master branch along with the tag associated, it schedules a manual job for deployment to the production environment. Now this is source tree, the graphical version for Git. Let's create a tag for the recent changes and name it like v0.0.3 suppose. And just add it. Remember to select the push tag checkbox when adding the tag. It automatically pushes your tag to your project repository. Now if I see the pipeline, I can see a manual job scheduled for deployment to production. Just click on the play button to run the job. Now if we see into the job, we can notice that it runs the same deploy package command along with the target as production to deploy the changes to the production environment. And finally, it says deploying succeeded. It also specifies the components or metadata that it deployed to the production environment. Now, if we see into our production org, we can see that the changes are deployed to our environment. Using the CI jobs for deployment help in the traceability of which changes are deployed when and by whom. It is our recommended approach for deploying your changes to the Salesforce orgs. Please refer to our help and reference site for more information. Thank you.